Hi everyone, I'm Sushmita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing with you guys two of these face washes from Dot & Key. So let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the first face wash. This is the Dot & Key Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash. Now, this is a really good face wash for people those who have oily, combination, acne prone or sensitive skin as well. I fall into that category. I have quite a bit of acne mark situation going on, which you will be seeing in my demo video. So yeah, this is a really good face wash for people those who are having like acne situation going on, have active acne. This has amazing ingredient called as salicylic acid as well as green tea. These are like the two key ingredients which works wonders on acne. Trust me, I have used salicylic based products before and it has kind of worked for my skin, and this is the ingredient that you should be looking for whenever you're picking up a skincare product and if you have acne issues. So talking about the product, this is how it looks like. This has a green packaging and it has like a very sleek packaging, so you can definitely carry this product whenever you're traveling. It's very travel friendly as well. Now talking about the consistency of this product, it has a very gel like finish. I really like it. So as you can see, this is like a very gel like finish. It doesn't have any artificial smell as well. It smells very calming, to be very honest, and it does not irritate your skin. It actually even foams out pretty well. You will feel like your skin is like squeaky clean after you wash your face, but at the same time it doesn't leave your skin all drying. It is quite hydrating at the same time. I like to take like a pea size amount and apply it all over my face and lather it up on my skin. It gives a very foamy texture and just helps you to remove all the dirt and the oil from your face. I really like how this gives a beautiful glow afterwards and I love it. Now I have the 100 ml product over here and this one retails for 295 rupees, which I believe is a fair price. You would also get that in discounts and all on Nykaa, Amazon and various other websites. So yeah, you can check it out. I really love the way this product leaves behind a very beautiful sheen and a glow into your face and doesn't like strip off your skin. So yeah, this is the first product from Dot & Key. The next one that I have over here is the Dot & Key Watermelon Super Glow Gel Face Wash. Now, this one comes in a similar packaging, just with a beautiful pastel pink shade. I'm not gonna go into the same details. This has the same packaging, the price point and everything is pretty much the same. Now this version over here has vitamin C and cucumber in it. These are the key ingredients for this particular face wash. Now this is a face wash again that every skin type can use. This is just supposed to be a basic face wash which is going to help you clean your face. It's going to give you a little bit of like a glow, a little bit of brightness on your skin while making sure that it removes all the dirt and pollution from your face. Talking about the product again, this has like a very gel-like consistency. I really love the fragrance. It really gives you like, it's not again artificial, it feels like very natural. It has fragrance of cucumber as a little bit of hint of watermelon as well. I absolutely adore the smell. Even though this has like a mild smell, it's not going to irritate your skin. I myself have a sensitive skin and it's not like heavily fragrance. So yeah, it's not gonna irritate your skin as much, but at the same time feel very calming. I would recommend this to dry skin types as well as normal skin types. Now again, even combination and oily skin type can use this, but because oily and combination skin have like problems of oiliness in their face as well as like acne issues, I think the salicylic acid based is a lot more better product for them. Whereas for dry skin types and normal, this is going to leave your skin very hydrated at the same time, like again not gonna feel dried out, or you're not going to get these dry patches that sometimes some face washes leaves behind. This is a really good one. Now using these products daily and including them to your skincare regime every single day is going to give you much better results. So yeah, I don't really have much con to say about any of these face washes, to be very honest. These are pretty decent product and I really like them. You can also use the code called Clean15 for discount, and yeah, that was it for the video. I really hope you guys like it. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I do actually have quite a bit of more Dot & Key products. Let me know if you want to see a review of those products too, and I'll be happy to make them. So yeah, please go ahead and comment down below how you really like the review and if you're going to try out these products. So yeah, I've also mentioned the coupon code in the description box along with the link of these products. Please check it out, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.